Hi guys, so this video I would like to thank this person right here for recommending these lashes. Yes, I know, you see that time, it was a year ago, so I really apologize. Hopefully you're still a subscriber or were a subscriber. I'm really sorry, but I finally did this review and I totally love these lashes, so I thank you so much. I did a short video on these lashes, but I just still wanted to make a video of these just so you guys can get a close-up of them. These are super dramatic but super easy to put on, especially if you put them on underneath your waterline. I think that's what you say. These are definitely one of my top 10 favorites for sure. So these definitely don't call for a liner. I don't see why I should, because this already gives you like a kind of cat eye, kind of, you know. And for people who have hooded eyes, I highly recommend that you don't go all the way to the end, because it'll just make your lashes look like it's like drooping down, which I believe like this side I put it that way. I put it too out compared to this one, so I think you can see the difference when I go in for the close-up. All right, so I'm gonna go in for a close-up. So I'm not sure if you can see how it droops down. Maybe from far away you can, but I just highly recommend if you have hooded eyes, just don't put them too far out. Just give it a gap, because these lashes are super dramatic and you don't want them to look like they're drooping down. That's it. Okay, so that's it for the video. Stay tuned for the next one. You guys are gonna want to see the next lashes. Cute. Okay, bye.